So hello everyone, welcome back to Algo Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing length of last word problem, and the problem statement is given a string S consisting of word and spaces and written the length of the last word in the string, and a word is maximal substring like consisting of non-space characters only, and the example test cases we have to given here and constraint also we have to given. And now let's look at their example test cases and problem statement. And in this problem we have to given a string s with consist of words and spaces and return the length of the last word and last word of the string. And now our task is to return the length of the last word in the string. A word is defined as the maximal, okay, maximal substring consisting of non-spaces character. Like what is substring? Substring is basically for a contiguous sequence, a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Like when you have given hello world, let's suppose hello world, and here we have to given a substring of hello and word and lo and o, sorry, lo and w. These are our substring, like, but hel hlo is not our substring because this is not contiguous. And the maximal means this maximal means the longest possible valid segment before encountering a delimiter. Like delimiter means here the spatial spaces like white spaces and so on things like, okay. And now let's suppose the example is fly, okay, fly me to the moon. Okay, this is our string, and the maximal substring like moon, this moon maximal substring at the end, because if try to extend it, we encounter a white space here, okay. So I hope you understand the maximal and the maximal substring means, okay. And our goal is to extract the last word from the given string, and we have to compute the return its length and ignore any trailing spaces before finding the last word. And we have to find it, like, basically. And now in first example we have to given a hello word, and in this string we have to identify the last word, and the last word is here word. And we have to get their count, like count is 1 2 3 and 4 and 5, okay. So answer is 5. And same thing for here, we have their moon, and in this string we have their last word is moon, so length is 4. And same for here, the this is our string, and the last word is joy boy, and joy boy is length is 6, so answer is 6. And so now let's look at their constraint basically. And the constraint are, we have like we have their 1 less than is equal to s dot length and 10 to the power 5, and s can be large up to 10 10,000 characters. And like implications means like we need efficient algorithm for ideally O of n solution, where n is the length of their size string, sorry. And then s is consist only English letters and spaces, and there will be at least one word in a string, and no need to handle the empty string, okay. So that's why we have to given only on constraint. And now this is our simple code, and in this code we have their finding their initialize with their length, we have to find their length, and there a for loop for iterate from iterate from the end and to start, okay. And after this we have their here, like if s of I not is equal to empty space, then we have to calculate their length plus plus. And after length we have to like if no any extra white space, okay, then we have to calculate their length. And else if we have their, if length is greater than is equal to 1, means if we have counted some letters and hit a space, then we have to return the length, okay. And then here we have already written the length in case the whole string is a word, okay. Like let's suppose joy boy, joy boy good, okay. This is our whole string, okay. So this is only one word, Okay, only one word we have to count it here, and then we have to get their length, and we have to return it here. So how we find it, find here, like basically for here. Okay, so I hope you understand how we calculate their last word, and then we have to calculate their length basically. And we have to ignore the white spaces, and then we have to calculate their possible values. Okay, okay. And now I hope you understand the logic and the implementation part of this code. And the time complexity of this code is O of 1, sorry, O of n, and the space complexity of this code is O of n 1, sorry. And we have to traverse with their string at most once, and the space complexity of O of 1, because only a few integers variable are used, so that's why O of 1 solution. So I hope you understand the video and the logic of this problem of length of last word. So thank you everyone, thank you so much.